Well, day one of the Moto Photo Mexico adventure could not have been any better. It was a beautiful day of riding, light traffic, and Trinity was just purring. It was unbelievable. And I stayed at this amazing little place from a friend of mine offered, Angela, and she's off on her own little motorcycle trip, and she is visiting her sons, and offered to let me stay at her place for the night. This is her travel trailer, her RV. Beautiful little place. Look at this great foggy morning on a lake. She said I could even fish if I wanted to. Oh my gosh, I wish I had a few days to stay here. But Angela and I are in a group together called Bunk-a-Biker. And so she wasn't here and just opened her home to me, and I appreciate that, Angela. You are an angel.
Hey everybody, day two of the Moto Photo Mexico adventure has begun. Super excited, had a great stay last night. Not a whole lot planned for today, except I'm gonna get to my good friend and amazing fellow rider, Paul Moore, who lives in Denham Springs, just outside of Baton Rouge. And we're gonna hang out for the night, have some fun, and then tomorrow morning, heading on towards Mexico. Follow along and we'll see you guys soon. Don't forget, fuel stop at TA truck stop at 28,530 miles. Well, this is kind of freaky. I just crossed the border from Florida to Louisiana a little while back, and got on this bridge crossing this bay, and look at all the fog ahead. I mean, it's the middle of the afternoon. This is bizarre. Temperature also dropped about 15 degrees. I've been riding along at like 70 degrees. Beautiful weather, sun out, sun shining on my face. And as soon as we got over this water, it was like, bam, chilly. How strange. Kind of eerie. Look at the bridge going the other direction. You can barely see the cars even just a quarter mile ahead. The tops of the light posts are disappearing into the fog. Just bizarre. Bit of land and the fog disappears, and then look right up here where that sign above the road is, and the fog like starts immediately. Hazardous fog cargo was usable. Look at that, just a wall of nothing. 3:30 in the afternoon. It's not like it's 6 a.m. or something. It's just outside the town of Pascagoula. Look back there, you can see where the fog starts and stops. Pretty cool. I just stopped for lunch about an hour ago, so that chilly section there woke me up, which is good. Ooh, this is cool. Going through a tunnel. A deep one. All right, I can't help it. I'm gonna honk my horn. Yeah, that was cool. Something different to see. I've been riding along the southern border of Florida, just straight as an arrow on I-10, just boring highway, hardly any traffic. So it was nice to finally see something interesting. Well, after a crazy long day on the highway, I finally made it over here to Paul and Lori's house. Yeah, they're putting me up for the night. Isn't that nice? I'm like a lost dog. Here's a dog.
That was lost.
Where's Doggy? Anyway, Paul's from Prices Unlimited, of course. Everybody say hi.
Hello.
And now we're all going to bed because it's been a very long day and tomorrow's another one of riding. We'll see you tomorrow.